What's going on, my peoples? Nothing but the best for y'all, man. Y'all know how, man, look. Y'all know when I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming. Y'all know when I do some video, I'm not finna post no lame ass video. And whoever think this video is lame, you're lame. So I'm gonna need more likes, man. For real, for real. Anyway, here's two very fine Hoover Convertibles. There's my third one, right there in the middle. I would run that one, but that one has bad bearings, so I'm not really gonna mess with that one. But it still works though. But for this video, I chose to do the blue and the brown. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. Here's my brown one. Yeah. This blue one needs another belt, but as you can see in here, it does run very well, might I add. And I got plenty of belts for that machine. With that being said, please come over here, come watch, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more great vacuum cleaner videos. It's your boy, yours truly, Kevin Love. Peace.